Good morning. I've had a lot of requests for these ornaments. A lot of people want them with male figures on them as well so that they can represent their entire family, not just sisters and friends. So I spend a lot of time and I got this all ready to go. Right now it looks like it's all girls there, 12 girls. This ornament product on my website, allandesignfactory.com, you can choose between 2 people and 12 people. So we're going to try a family of 7, just so I can demonstrate to you how this works. So now you see that you have a family of 7 there. Let's say they're not sisters and brothers. Let's say they're cousins. You can put what you like in here. It says life is better with question mark. You can put co-workers, you can put sisters, you can put brothers, you can put cousins, family, friends, whatever you like. Anywhere from 2 to 12 people, male or female. They are all adults. I will be working on some with children in them later on. It's very time consuming and I'm getting a lot of orders, so I'm trying to keep on top of my orders here so I don't get a whole lot of time for designing. But here we go. Let's set this up now. Family of 7. So we're going to say cousins. Whoop. C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Life is better with cousins. Okay, the first person's name is going to be Michael. So you can see right here it says Michael. It's showing a girl currently. Let's go down here and choose a male body for Michael. So this one is a male body. You can tell by the shape of the body that it's male. Let's give Michael a red sweater. So now Michael has a red sweater. The hair on Michael, let's say Michael is a semi-old guy. Balding brush cut. Okay, so we're going to give him a light balding brush cut. So you can see he only has a little bit of hair. So right here you see it says wings. That's to represent somebody that's passed away. So if you don't want the wings on Michael, if Michael's still with us, don't take this. If Michael has passed away, you can put a set of wings on Michael, and that indicates that he's passed away. We're going to keep him with us for now. Okay, the next person's name is Julie. You can see it updates the text here. So let's give Julie a purple sweater. And Julie has nice long blonde hair. Ladies, long straight hair. Let's pick this pretty color here. See, there's Julie with her purple sweater and her pretty blonde hair. Julie's still with us, so we won't give her wings. Okay, number 3, person number 3. That would be Bob. Okay, so the name's been updated here. The body's been updated to a male body, and we're going to put some male hair on here. Men's short curly. Let's say Bob has gray curly hair. There you go, there's Bob. Bob's still with us, no wings. The 4th person we're going to do here is passed away. So let's say that is our cousin, our oldest cousin who has passed away. She's going to have this green sweater on. Her name is Mary. Okay, and Mary had short gray hair. There. So we're going to give Mary a set of wings. So wings number 4, show. So you just take this. So you see Mary has a set of wings indicating that she's passed away. Okay, number 5 is this person up here. That will be a male, and his name will be Scott. Okay, so let's give Scott a brown sweater, and get rid of that bushy red hair. Color hair, Grandpa Balding, and he's got not quite bright gray, but salt and pepper kind of hair. Okay, and he got a little bit of a bald spot on top there. He's still with us, so that's Scott, person number 5. Next is person number 6. The name is Brandon. Okay, Brandon is my son, so I'm going to see if I can make this look like Brandon. Brandon would not be wearing a Christmas sweater. He would be wearing probably something like this green shirt. See if we can find some hair that looks like Brandon. Men's medium short, let's see. And he's fairly light. He got kind of a dirty blonde hair. No, that does not look like Brandon. Let's try something different. Men's he's kind of got like a brush cut. It's kind of not. See, this one's tricky. Men's medium short. Okay, that'll do for Brandon. It's not bad like him. Okay, he's still here. Thank God. We won't give him any wings. Person number 7. Okay, let's do my uncle, Derek. D-E. Okay, he's got really light hair as well. See what he might be wearing a Christmas sweater. He's the Christmas sweater type. His hair's really light as well. Okay, there we go. So we have all these 7 people customized with different sweaters. We've indicated whether they're male or female. Given them a name, given them a hairstyle. We've indicated that they're cousins. If they were brother and sisters, you would say family or whatever you like. Or the McDonald's or the whatever the last name is. You can put that in there, whatever you like. This one is updatable. This is not. I might make this updatable later on so you can put in what you like there. Well, there you have it. That's how you customize one of these ornaments to include the number of people that you like, their gender, their dress, their hairstyles, their names, and whether or not they've passed away. This ornament is currently on the website. I'll leave a link. I'll post a link under this video so that you can go check it out.